नमस्ते दर्शकबिन, म हुँ सदीक्षा श्रेष्ठ, नेशनल क्विज यो कार्यक्रमको क्विज मास्टर। यहाँहरू सम्पूर्णलाई हामी कार्यक्रममा स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छौँ। माउन्टेन टेलिभिजन मार्फत यहाँहरूले हामीलाई हेरिराख्नु भएको छ। 24वटा टिमको भिडन्त हुँदैछ नेशनल क्विजमा र आज हामीसँग 3वटा नयाँ टिमहरू हुनुहुन्छ। We have Nilgiri, we have Siddharth Vanastali, and we have South Western Team B. हामी हाम्रा स्पोन्सर्सहरूलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ। अविना सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स अस्ट्रेलिया एन्ड आवर स्पोन्सर शारदा युनिभर्सिटी। 4वटा राउन्डहरू फेस गर्नुपर्नेछ हरेक टिमले। We're starting with the very first round, which is the general round. यो जनरल राउन्डमा हरेक टिमले एउटा क्वेसन पाउनुहुनेछ, एउटा डाइरेक्ट क्वेसन। यु गेट 4 अप्सन्स टु द्याट। सही जवाफ दिनुभयो, डाइरेक्ट क्वेसनको सही जवाफ दिनुभयो भने 10 पोइन्ट तपाईँले पाउनुहुन्छ भने पास्ट क्वेसनको सही जवाफ दिनुभयो भने तपाईँले पाउनुहुनेछ 5 पोइन्ट्स। Let's dive right into the first question and we are starting with Nilgiri. Are you ready? All right. Nilgiri, your question is, when is the National Science Day observed in Nepal? Your options are A. Baisakh 1, B. Ashad 1, C. Shravan 1, and D. Asoj 1. 20 seconds on the clock, 4 options, 1 correct answer.
Option B, Ashad 1.
Option B, Ashad 1 is incorrect, Nilgiri. We move to Siddharth Vanastali.
Option C, Shravan 1.
Option C, Shravan 1. Good try, but incorrect. Not the correct answer. Southwestern, let's see if you get this one correct.
Option D, Asoj 1.
Option D, Asoj 1 is the correct answer. Well done, Southwestern. Second question to Siddharth Vanastali. Your question is, who is the present President of India? Option A, Pratibha Patel. Option B, Sita Raman. Option C, Draupadi Murmu. Option D, Shashi Tharoor.
Option C, Draupadi Murmu.
Option C, Draupadi Murmu is the correct answer. Well done to Siddharth Vanastali. We are now heading to Southwestern. Southwestern, your question for the first round, which is the general round here at the National Quiz. Your question is, what is the capital city of Philippines? Option A, Quezon City. Option B, Manila. Option C, Pasig. Option D, Cebu. 20 seconds on the clock.
Option C, Pasig.
Option C, Pasig, is not the capital city of Philippines. This question now passes on to Siddharth Vanastali.
Option B, Manila.
Option B, Manila, is the correct answer. Yes, Manila, Southwestern, is the capital city of Philippines. With that, we come to the end of round 1, which was the general round. General round को multiple choice question को उत्तर दिने प्रयास हरेक टिमले गर्नुभयो। स्कोर हामी समक्ष आइसकेको छ, तर स्कोर हामी एकै छिनमा भन्नेछौँ। अब हामी लाग्न चाहन्छौँ नेशनल क्विज को दोस्रो सेगमेन्ट तर्फ, which is the mix bag round. This time we're starting with Southwestern. Southwestern, the same rules apply. 20 seconds for a direct question, 15 seconds for a past question, 10 points for a direct correct answer, and 5 points for a past correct answer. No negative marking. So I hope all the teams at least try to give an answer. We're starting with Southwestern. Your question is, which continent is also known as the continent of birds? Which continent is known as the continent of birds?
Europe.
Europe is not known as the continent of birds. Incorrect. Answer Southwestern. We pass this to Siddharth Vanastali.
Australia.
Australia, unfortunately, is also not the continent of birds. Nilgiri, you have this golden opportunity to score 5 points.
North America.
North America. Good try, but is not the right answer. Out of the 7 continents, right? 3 incorrect answers. South America is the correct answer. It is South America that is known as the continent of birds. We're now moving to Siddharth Vanastali. A direct question to you, a golden opportunity to get 10 points. Your question is, from which mountain does the Marsyangdi River originate? From which mountain does the Marsyangdi River originate? Marsyangdi Nadi कुन माउन्टेनबाट originate हुन्छ?
Gauri Shankar.
Bell rang, Gauri Shankar, not the correct answer. Incorrect, Siddharth Vanastali. We move to Nilgiri. Nilgiri, you have a golden opportunity again here to get 5 points. 15 seconds on the clock.
Manaslu.
Manaslu is the answer from Nilgiri, which is correct. Well done, Nilgiri. That is the correct answer. It is Manaslu. Now we move on to Nilgiri. 10 points for the correct answer. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun?
Japan.
Japan. Again, प्रश्न सोध्नु भएको कि उत्तर दिनु भएको कि मलाई? उत्तर. Sure? Confident?
Yes.
Yes. With that confidence, it is the correct answer. Japan is the country that is also known as the land of the rising sun. A big round of applause as we come to the end of the second round here at the National Quiz. अब भने कार्यक्रममा पालो भएको छ दर्शकवृन्द एउटा छोटो व्यापारिक विश्रामको। यो व्यापारिक विश्रामपछि हामी हाम्रो तेस्रो र चौथो राउन्ड लिएर यहाँहरु समक्ष फेरि पनि प्रस्तुत हुनेछौं।
National Quiz Competition presented by Skynet Media Private Limited, powered by Awina Sanitary Napkins Australia, sponsored by Sharda University, brought to you by Asia Pacific School Dhapasi Kathmandu, education partner Southwestern State College Basundhara Kathmandu, Golden Gate International College, makeup partner Aina Unisex Salon and Academy Thapathali Kathmandu, hospitality partner Anupam Events Sitapaila Kathmandu, supported by Medhavi College Sankhamul Kathmandu, Jubilant College Kalimati Kathmandu, Keen TV, Tollmart Natural Products, Nightingale International Secondary School, Mount Glory School Toka Kathmandu, Trilok Academy Machapokhari Kathmandu, Everest Secondary School Gwalkupakha Thamel Kathmandu.
यो व्यावसायिक विश्रामपछि दर्शकवृन्द यहाँहरूलाई पुनः स्वागत गर्दछौं। यहाँहरू हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ माउन्टेन टेलिभिजनमा नेशनल क्विज। हामी हाम्रा स्पोन्सर्सहरूलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद ज्ञापन गर्न चाहन्छौं। अविना सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स अस्ट्रेलिया र हाम्रा अर्का स्पोन्सर शारदा युनिभर्सिटीलाई पनि हाम्रो शो नेशनल क्विजसँग आबद्ध भइदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। Current affairs round is the next round, and we are starting from Nilgiri. Nilgiri, you have 20 seconds to answer this direct question. If this gets passed on to Siddhartha Vanastali, you have 15 seconds, 10 points for a correct direct answer, 5 points for a past correct answer. Your question, Nilgiri, is who is the present Chief Secretary of Government of Nepal? "20 seconds on the clock. Time is past. Question now passes to Siddhartha Vanastali.
Vaikuntha Aryal.
Dr. Vaikuntha Aryal, yes, is the correct answer. He is the Chief Secretary, the current Chief Secretary for the Government of Nepal. Well done, Siddhartha Vanastali. 5 points for you for this correct answer for a past question. Now it is your turn for a direct question, and your question is, where is the provincial headquarters of Sudur Paschim Province? The provincial headquarters of Sudur Paschim Province. That bell indicates that your designated 20 seconds is up. This question passes on to Southwestern.
Dhangari.
Dhangadi is incorrect. That is not the correct answer. This question passes to Nilgiri.
Can we get the question again?
Where is the provincial headquarters of Sudur Paschim Province?
Godavari.
Godavari?
Godavari is the answer.
Godavari is the correct answer. Godavari Kailali is the provincial headquarters of Sudur Paschim Province. Last question of this round goes to Southwestern. Southwestern, your opportunity, your chance to get 10 points. Your question is, how many languages are spoken in Nepal according to the recent population census of 2078?
One or 29.
129 languages are not spoken in Nepal. That is not the correct answer, Southwestern. Siddhartha Vanastali, you have this opportunity.
124.
124? She's asking me.
124 is the answer.
124 is the answer, is what she said, and that is the correct answer. Yes, 124 languages are spoken in Nepal according to the report of Population Census 2078. Congratulations, well done. यो सँगसँगै करेन्ट अफेयर्स राउन्डको पनि अन्त्यमा हामी आइसकेका छौँ। अब हामी लाग्दैछौँ ऱ्यापिड फायरतर्फ। ऱ्यापिड फायरमा 30 सेकेन्ड हरेक टिमले पाउनुहुनेछ। 5वटा प्रश्न तपाईहरुको सामु आउनेछ। इफ यु नो द एन्सर, यु एन्सर इट। इफ यु डोन्ट नो इट, पास इट एन्ड मुभ अन टु द नेक्स्ट क्वेसन। 30 सेकेन्डमा 5वटा प्रश्नहरूको एन्सर दिने प्रयास गर्नुहोला। सुरु गर्न चाहन्छौ साउथ वेस्टर्नबाट यो पाली। रेडी? ऱ्यापिड फायर बिगिन्स। In which district is Baraha Kshetra Lake situated?
Pass.
What is the capital city of Poland?
Pass.
What is the fear of heights called?
Pass.
When is World Heart Day observed?
October 25.
Incorrect. Your last question would have been, what is the full form of CCTV? It seemed to be the one question whose answer Southwestern knew. We are now moving to Siddharth Vanastali. Siddharth Vanastali, ready for your rapid fire? Yes? All right. In which district is Devghat situated?
Chitwan.
Incorrect. What is the capital city of Portugal?
Lisbon.
Correct. What is the fear of water called?
Hydrophobia.
Correct. When is World Food Day observed?
Pass.
What is the full form of Wi-Fi?
Wireless Federation.
Incorrect. 30 seconds on the clock. 30 seconds भित्रमै 5 वटा प्रश्नको उत्तर दिने प्रयास गर्नुभयो उहाँले. Our last team, Nilgiri, ready for the rapid fire? All right. In which district is Kakani situated? What is the capital city of Qatar?
Pass.
What is the fear of fire called?
Pass.
When is United Nations Day observed?
24th October.
Correct. What is the full form of KYC in banking?
Know your customer.
Correct. Good end to this rapid fire with the correct answer. दर्शकबिन, नेशनल क्विज हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ यहाँहरू माउन्टेन टेलिभिजनमा. हामीले हाम्रो चारैवटा राउन्ड सकाइसकेका छौँ आजको एपिसोडका लागि पनि. अहिलेलाई भने हामी एउटा छोटो व्यापारिक विश्राम लिँदैछौँ. यो व्यापारिक विश्रामपछि रिजल्टका साथ म पुनः फिर्ता आउनेछु.
National Quiz Competition presented by Skynet Media Private Limited, powered by Awina Sanitary Napkins Australia, sponsored by Sharda University, brought to you by Asia Pacific School Dhapasi Kathmandu, education partner Southwestern State College Basundhara Kathmandu, Golden Gate International College, makeup partner Aina Unisex Salon and Academy Thapathali Kathmandu, hospitality partner Anupam Events Sitapaila Kathmandu, supported by Medhavi College Sankhamul Kathmandu, Jubilant College Kalimati Kathmandu, Keen TV, Tollmart Natural Products, Nightingale International Secondary School, Mount Glory School Toka Kathmandu, Trilok Academy Machapokhari Kathmandu, Everest Secondary School Gwalkupakha Thamel Kathmandu.
नमस्कार दर्शकवृन्द र पुनः स्वागत छ यहाँहरू सम्पूर्णलाई. हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ माउन्टेन टेलिभिजनमा नेशनल क्विज विच इज पावर्ड बाई Awina Sanitary Napkins Australia and sponsored by Sharda University. हाम्रा सम्पूर्ण स्पोन्सर्स सपोर्टर्सहरूलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. कार्यक्रमको अन्त्यतर्फ हामी आइसकेका छौँ. चारैवटा राउन्ड्स हामीले कम्प्लिट गरिसकेका छौँ र रिजल्ट मेरो हातमा आइसकेको छ. Congratulations to Siddharth Vanastali for moving forward with 35 points. Well done. Coming very, very close was Nilgiri at 30 points. Well done to Nilgiri as well. And Southwestern came in third with 5 points. So, congratulations to Siddharth Vanastali. You move forward to the next round. अझै बढी मेहनत गरेर आउनुहुन्छ होला भन्ने अपेक्षा हामीले राखेका छौँ. एन्ड टु नीलगिरी एन्ड टु साउथ वेस्टर्न, थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच फर पार्टिसिपेटिङ. यहाँलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. दर्शकवृन्द, यो रिजल्ट अनाउन्समेन्ट सँगसँगै आजको कार्यक्रमका लागि निर्धारित समय पनि सकिसकेको छ. म क्विज मास्टर सदीक्षा श्रेष्ठ लगायत हाम्रो नेशनल क्विजका सम्पूर्ण टिम मेम्बर्सलाई आजका लागि बिदा दिनुहोस्. अर्को साता यही समय हामी ब्रान्ड न्यू एपिसोड लिएर उपस्थित हुने नै छौँ. तबसम्मका लागि नमस्कार.
National Quiz Competition presented by Skynet Media Private Limited, powered by Awina Sanitary Napkins Australia, sponsored by Sharda University, brought to you by Asia Pacific School Dhapasi Kathmandu, Education partner Southwestern State College, Basundhara, Kathmandu. Golden Gate International College. Makeup partner Aina Unisex Salon and Academy, Thapathali, Kathmandu. Hospitality partner Anupam Events, Sitapaila, Kathmandu. Supported by Medhavi College, Sankhamul, Kathmandu. Jubilant College, Kalimati, Kathmandu. Keen TV, Tollmart Natural Products, Nightingale International Secondary School, Mount Glory School, Toka, Kathmandu. Trilok Academy, Machapokhari, Kathmandu. Everest Secondary School, Gwalkupakha, Thamel, Kathmandu.